Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My presentation topic Amplitude Modulation. I am Rasul Hussain. My ID 182334696. Section B Evening. What is modulation? Modulation is the basic requirement of transmitting the message signal through free space. It is the process of transmitting of information signal using a high frequency carrier signal. Why modulation? Carrying one signal to another use carrier. Modulated signal is transmitted. Problem with transmitting baseband signal or need of modulation. Height of transmitting and receiving antenna, noise and interference from other source at low frequencies, multiplying, narrow banding. Types of modulation. Sine wave described by three parameters: amplitude, frequency and phase. So it can have amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation. Frequency and phase combined are known as angle modulation. Amplitude modulation. The amplitude of the carrier is changed in the according with the initiation value of modulation signal. Carrier Ct equal to Vc cos 2 pi fct plus alpha. Modulating signal Vt equal to Vm cos 2 pi fmt. Information is contained in the above loop. Here is the amplitude modulation figure. Amplitude spectrum. Modulation produces two new components called sidebands at frequencies have above and below the carrier. The spacing in frequency between carrier and sideband is equal to Fm. Bandwidth requirement 2 Fm. Efficiency. For a fully modulated carrier of the power is the carrier. The rest in the sidebands 33.33 efficiency. Total power Pt equal to Pc 1 plus m square divided by 2. Carrier power Pc equal to Vc square divided by 2. Sideband power equal to PLSB equal to PUSB equal to m square Pc divided by 4. Information in sideband. Power gets wasted in carrier. AM is bandwidth efficiency 2 Fm. Gets affected due to noise. Variation of FM. Double sideband with carrier AM. This is the most widely used type of AM modulation. In fact, all radio channel and in the AM band use this type of modulation. DSBSC. Double sideband suppressed carrier. This is the same as the AM modulation above but without the carrier. SSB single sideband. In this modulation, only half of the signal of the DSBSC is used. VSB vestigial sideband. This is the modulation of the SSB to is the generation and reception of the signal. Here is my presentation. Thank you, ma'am.